नमस्कार, मैं रेणु तलरेजा। आज हम करेंगे फ्रेजल वर्ब्स पार्ट 7। पहला है सी ऑफ। सी ऑफ मीन्स टू गो विद टू अ स्टेशन, एयरपोर्ट etc. There was nobody to see her off at the airport. See through. See through means to comprehend. We could easily see through their clever tricks. See about. See about means arrange or consider something. My friend said that she was going to see a dealer about buying a car. Set up. Set up means arrange an appointment, meeting, etc. Mr. English set up meeting with his office staff. Take away. Take away means remove, seize, or capture. The wolves took the dead dogs away. Take back. Take back means return an item to a store. The soldiers took the captives away. Take down. Take down means write down what is said. I hope you will not mind taking down my message when I am on vacation. Take in. Take in means learning. We are supposed to take in all these idioms. Take off. Take off means remove. In Hindu society, we take off our shoes when entering a house. Think over. Think over means consider. Think over the offer before you sign the contract. Think through. Think through means consider carefully. You need to think this through before you make a decision. Throw up. Throw up means vomit. If you eat too much in the party, you might throw up. Throw away. Throw away means discard. Don't throw away garbage on the roadside. Tire out. Tire out means cause someone to be tired. Teaching English to the students all day tires the teacher out. Touch out. Touch out means make the final improvement. Didn't paint the whole house. We just touch up the furniture. Turn on. Turn on means start the function of a TV, radio, or machine. Turn on the TV, the cricket match will start in a few minutes. Turn away. Turn away means refuse to deal with or give service. The authorities turned them away at the border because they didn't have visas. Turn around. Turn around means change or reverse direction. Turn the car around and go back home, said Ramesh to his driver. Turn down. Turn down means refuse an offer, reject an application. He turned down the new job in Jaipur because he did not want to move out of her hometown. Turn down. Lower the volume of TV, radio, or other machine. I'm doing my prayers. Please turn down the TV. Turn in. Turn in means submit. You need to turn in your notebook on Saturday, said the teacher. Turn off. Turn off means stop the function of a stove, a water faucet, a car, etc. Don't forget to turn off the refrigerator because you leave the house before you leave the house. Don't forget to turn off the refrigerator before you leave the house. Turn out. Turn out means produce. The weavers can turn out only 2 or 3 mats a month. Turn over. Turn over means hand over. The robber turned their belonging over to the police. Turn up. Turn up means increase the volume of TV, radio, etc. Turn up the TV. I can't hear clearly. Turn up means find unexpectedly or to appear. My purse turned up in the kitchen. She had promised to come, but she never turned up. Turn into. Turn into means become something different or transform. When she kissed the frog, it turned into handsome prince. Wait on. Wait on means serve. Service a table. Each waiter waits on a different table at the restaurant. Wind up. Wind up means finish, to bring to come to an end, conclude. Let's wind up the shop. There's no sale, said the shopkeeper. Wind up. Wind up means tighten the spring or match or a similar machine. My nephew wound up the toy dog and clapped to see jumping. Workout. Workout means solve. I hope you can work out your problems. Wake up. Wake up means wake someone. The mobile alarm woke me up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Watch out. Watch out means be careful. Watch out, there is a snake. Write down. Write down means record. Write down all the dates carefully. Write out. Write out means write down every word or letter. Write down every word or letter. He wrote down the lyrics so that I could understand what she was singing. Wipe out. Wipe out means destroy. The tidal wave wiped out the small coastal village. Zero in on. Zero in on means discover, pinpoint. I think I have zeroed in on what has been causing the problem. Zip around. Zip around means move quickly from place to place. My friend zipped around the city after work today. Thank you.